Hi, this is Mr. Eric Tank. It's time for you to do some practical exercise in Python. The objective of today is to write a complete Python program by yourself to solve a mathematical problem. It's good for you to review my video lesson 01 and 06 if you still haven't installed the Python Integrated Development and Learning Environment (IDLE), and or if you want to see how to write a simple Python program that will output something on the screen. Here's the exercise you're gonna do. You can pause the video and read the question now. In the program, you must use variables to store the dimensions of the given triangles and the results, and then use the print statements to output the results. If you're a student of my school, in order to get full marks, you have to take the photos showing that you really type in and run your program in Python IDLE at home, and also submit the program with the name 3xxx_triangles, where xxx is your class and class number. I will do a demonstration here. For example, I've just typed in the program. I just typed something random here. Okay. Of course, you won't do it in the real case. Then you save your file as usual. File save as, and then file name. For example, I'm 3t01_triangle, and then choose the folder and press save. This is the first file you have to submit to me. Now, then you take a photo of this screen, and this is another file you have to submit. Of course, then you press run and run module, and take the photo for this outcome screen, and this is the first file you have to submit. Enjoy programming, and see you next time.